the Muslim Reminder Kids. Learn Surah Fatiha for kids.
Well done, Inaya. A few more verses and you will have memorized Surah Yasin.
Thank you, Mummy.
Ayub, let me hear the first verse of Surah Fatiha, please.
Mummy, please, I need more time. I need to practice more.
Of course you can.
Mummy, can we first listen to Surah Fatiha, please? Please, Mummy, it will really help.
Okay, Ayub. Let's put it on.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Did that help?
Yes, it helped a lot. Ayub, let me tell you a bit about Surah Fatiha.
That's a wonderful idea. It will also help Ayub when learning Surah Fatiha.
Tell me, Inaya. Ayub, the Quran is a letter from Allah to mankind. The Quran is telling us to become more than what we think we can be. Wow, a letter? Really a letter from Allah? Yes, Ayub, a letter. Ayub, Surah Fatiha is the opening of the Quran. It is the mother of the Quran. And the surah I am learning is the heart of the Quran. Wow, that's amazing. The meaning of Surah Fatiha is everything starts and ends with Allah. Allah is in control of everything. Allah provides healing, guidance and directions for anyone who asks. So, does that mean when I am hurting or lost, all I have to do is ask Allah for help?
Yes, Ayub. You ask Allah for anything and everything, and Allah will decide if He will give you it or not. You may not get it when you ask, but you may get it later or not at all. Allah knows best.
Ayub, shall we listen to Surah Fatiha again? Yes, please.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.